I understand the thinking behind using the CPA acronym. Has there been any consideration of how or whether we need to differentiate our CPA from the U.S. CPA?
This is why we have chartered professional accountant. Clearly, there are different CPAs around the world now. There's a Japanese CPA. There's I believe there's a Hong Kong CPA. There are CPAs in many different jurisdictions, and it ties to what jurisdiction you're from. What we found is that what were we going to do going into this? Was the CA going to give their designation to each of the other two bodies? Was the CGA to give their designation to each of the other two bodies? With the CPA, the Chartered Professional Accountant designation, which we call it, but the CPA acronym is one that has wide acceptance in the marketplace and people understand it. It was, at the end of the day, a level that we could all agree to if we granted everybody a CPA with a tag to show where they came from.
There's a couple comments here about a large number of accountants in Canada who aren't designated with the title professional accountants. Is this merger going to be able to relieve that situation and force them into not using professional accountant?
I don't know how many there are when they say there's a large number. They're unregulated. There's nothing legally to stop anybody from saying they're an accountant, but there is from claiming they have one of the 3 accounting designations. Our hope is that we're going to end up with a consolidated accounting profession in Canada with stronger federal and provincial legislation that will clarify for the general public and all the users of the services of the professional accountants what it takes to be a professional accountant. And so if somebody puts themselves out as a professional accountant, they should be able to also say they're a CPA if we can put this together. And they wouldn't be able to unless they've met our course requirements.